Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off with the primer from Milk Makeup, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. Then I'm going with this e.l.f. Glow, forgot the name of it. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face as well. This is my second primer. I really cannot do my makeup without this. If you haven't tried it, I think you should go ahead and get yourself one because I really love it. I just cannot go without wearing this under my makeup. So yeah, anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out with a Morphe brush. I have no idea what brush this is. I just got it at a Morphe store a while back and I really love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into my skin. I did have to fast forward a little bit some of the clips because this video was taking way too long. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that with the same brush as well. I really like this brush, you guys. I don't know, like, come on, look at that. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I do like to apply a second layer onto my cheeks just because I really like the extra coverage on my cheek area. So then I'm going to go with the Morphe concealer, and I'm going to apply this under the eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin and forehead area just to kind of brighten up my face a little bit more. And then I'm going to go with that same sponge that I used in my last video, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all out. In this video I felt like I didn't even realize, but everybody and their mom was like distracting me. I don't know, everybody needed me that day. So but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into my skin. Just make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I really like this sponge. Anyways, so I just make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set everything, and you can see I just like blending. Grace, let's move on. So then I'm going to go ahead and set my T-zone area everywhere where I applied that concealer. I'm going to apply this Peach Perfect setting powder from Too Faced. It's the only powder I know that keeps my face matte and it doesn't make me look like oily. I don't know what it is, but I really like this powder. And then I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, and then just kind of remove any excess powder that I might have left behind. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And I really like how my foundation looks. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything off my face just to make sure that I don't have any excess powder, and then just apply a little bit on down to my neck just because I want it to match. Then I'm going with the Hoola bronzer and just going to go ahead and contour my face just to make my face look a little bit slimmer. I do like to go hard on my bronzer, and then I go back and blend everything so it will look good, guys. Don't get all freaking scared. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the jawline as well, just so that I can kind of make it more defined and stuff. So yeah, then I'm going back again with that brush and just kind of blend everything out to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I didn't realize I didn't add the clip that I did for my contour. I'll do it in another video. Then I'm gonna do my blush, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro. I really love this stuff. I don't know. Then I'm going with Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my lids to prepare them for some eyeshadow. This look is very simple. It's kind of like the one that I already did, my go-to. It's just that I go like maybe 2-3 steps further. This one I'm just gonna go ahead and add the same bronzer into my lids. You guys will see right now, but I'm just gonna go apply this eyeshadow base all over just to kind of cancel any color out. Then I'm gonna go with that Hoola bronzer. Like I said, I'm just gonna apply this right onto my crease just to help me, you know, have like a definition and just a little bit of color. And then I'm gonna go with a ColourPop jelly shadow, and I'm going to kind of cut the crease. Well, not really, but you know, you kind of get the gist of it. So I just kind of wanted to define my crease a little bit with that Hoola bronzer, and then just kind of blend everything. So yeah, then I actually went with this new product. I don't know if it's new, I don't know. Morphe sent it to me. It's a lip plumper, and I just used it to the center of my lip just to kind of give me that cupid's bow a little bit more bigger. And here is that ColourPop shadow jelly thing. I'm gonna apply this right onto my lid. I kind of try to do like a little cut crease type of thing. Then I'm doing a little bit of eyeliner. I normally never do eyeliner, but I was feeling kind of extra today on this day, and I just decided to do eyeliner. So yeah, And this one is from Morphe as well. I don't know, I found it in my drawer. I didn't even know I had it. So just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of a wing. And then I'm just gonna go with that same Hoola bronzer, apply this to the bottom lash line, just to define my bottom lash line, of course. And just apply that, Grace. Just, you do it, Grace. Go ahead. Just take your time. I should probably fast forward that part. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. They're on my Amazon front. If you guys want to get them, go for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Then this amazing mascara that I've been loving from L'Oreal. And I'm going to apply this to the bottom and top lashes. You see how it makes my bottom lashes pop? Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara to them. Very simple, just I did a few more steps than I did on my other video. Then for lips, I'm using this Teint Los Angeles liquid lip. It's a brown shade. I'll list it down below for you guys. I do have a discount code, but I don't know if it's still working because I really never promote it. I suck at that. So it's a Prettygrace for some money off. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my concealer to the middle of my lips and blend that out with my finger just to do the ombre effect. Then I'm going to apply some highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the So Hollywood. I still have another one, a backup, because this one is amazing. And then some setting spray, and this should be the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.